Good morning students, hope all of you are fine. In last lecture we discussed about India's contacts with the world. So how India's contacts were established with the world through the trade links, in the ancient time also, and even after the arrival of British also in India. India has a very strong trading links with the other countries. So how those trading links were established? Those were established through the sea routes. So today we will continue with the topic, that importance of Suez Canal for India. As we know, see, this is the world map. Here it is India, Africa, and above Africa there is Europe. Earlier, European countries traded with India and they opted the route. This one, like this, they reached to India, but this route was too longer. So in 1869, the Suez Canal was built. But here in Africa, between Africa and Europe, there is Mediterranean Sea, and Africa and India, there is Red Sea. And these Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea, these were connected with the construction of Suez Canal. So now European countries can trade through this route. And this route was, it was shorter by 7,000 kilometers. So this improved the trading links, and this is the importance of Suez Canal for India. Now the next topic is India's neighbors. As we know, in India at present there are 28 states and 9 union territories, and India shares land boundaries with Pakistan, China, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. We have southern neighbors across the sea, Sri Lanka and Maldives. See here, beta, this map is very informative. If you will see here Jammu and Kashmir, it is divided in two parts. These are now two union territories. That is why at present in India there are 9 union territories. This is Jammu Kashmir and this is Ladakh. Our north-west neighbors are Pakistan and Afghanistan. Then our northern neighbors are Nepal, China and Bhutan. Our eastern neighbors are Bangladesh and Myanmar. Our southern neighbors across the sea are Sri Lanka and Maldives. And you can see here, India and Sri Lanka, it is separated by a narrow channel, and it is known as Pak Strait or Gulf of Mannar. Other than this, like I told you that this map is very much informative, right? So which is the largest state of India? Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state, and here Goa is the smallest state. And you can see this line. What is this? Tropic of Cancer. As we know, Tropic of Cancer divides our country into equal halves. So from which states the Tropic of Cancer pass through? These states are Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Mizoram and Tripura. Other than this, there is one more topic in the chapter, that what are provinces and what are princely states. As we know, you have heard about the provinces of Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. So provinces were the territories, those were directly handled by the British officials, and princely states were the territories which were ruled by the Indian hereditary ruler under the sovereignty of Britishers. So today only I will send few questions based on all these topics. So thank you and have a nice day.